This easy caramel icing has a creamy flavor that's perfect for bars, cakes, and even muffins. In a medium-sized bowl, add the granulated sugar and cornstarch, then stir to combine. Set aside. In another mixing bowl, add the egg yolks and evaporated milk, then whisk to combine. Pour it into the cornstarch mixture and whisk until smooth. Set aside. Using another bowl, add in some condensed milk and evaporated milk, then whisk to combine. Then, add the granulated sugar in a deep skillet and caramelize. Add in the condensed milk mixture, then reduce the heat to low, whisking continuously until smooth. Now turn off the heat and temper the egg mixture with roughly 1/3 cup of the caramel mixture. Whisk to combine. Pour the tempered mixture into the caramel mixture and set the stove on low heat. Continue whisking until thickened, then set aside at room temperature to cool. After a while, transfer into a bowl and cover with cling wrap before storing it in the chiller for 3 hours or overnight. Once ready, serve with a cake of your choice and enjoy! Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.